Hello everyone, today I will show you how to apply for a PayPal debit card. First, make sure you have an active PayPal account with a balance account. Next, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Log in with your email and password. Once you are logged in, look at the top menu and click on Tools or Account Tools. Scroll down until you see the option for PayPal debit card. In this section, you will see an option labeled Get Card. Click on it to start the application. You will now need to provide some personal information. Confirm that your name and address are correct. You will also be asked for your date of birth, annual income, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Carefully review this information to make sure it is accurate. Then read the terms and conditions and agree to them to continue. After submitting your application, PayPal will review it. If approved, you will receive a digital version of your PayPal debit card instantly. This digital card can be used online immediately or added to a mobile wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. If you want a physical card, you can request it from your account later. Thanks for watching.